In this video, I am going to show you how to siphon gas out of the car using spray bottle. Park the car and let it cool. Whether because you put the wrong fuel in, because you're selling the car, or because you're making repairs, draining the gas out of your car is not always easy. For older cars you should be able to get the hose right in the tank without hindrance, but you'll need a new strategy for newer models. The old trick of sticking a hose in the gas tank then sucking out the gas with your mouth is hazardous to your health and incredibly dangerous. You could swallow gasoline or spill enough to create a serious fire hazard. Have a fire extinguisher specifically for gas fires nearby in case of a fire. If you don't have fuel siphon system or siphon pump at your home, you can use spray bottle, which is basic household item. Get a spray bottle and remove pump from bottle body. This hand pump has nozzle and dip tube. Now take aquarium pipe or surgical pipe. Pipe should be 6 feet at least and connect it with dip tube. Once they are connected, stick your pipe or tube into the gas tank. Tube that is rigid and resists kinking. Force this tube down until it hits the blockage, then twist, push, and force the tube around the metal bulb blocking entry to the tank. Once reached the bottom, pump your hand pump until gas comes out. As you can see, we can now easily take out fuel out of tank. Now fill it up in a container. Some vehicles have saddle-type fuel tanks and may require a specialized way of removing the fuel from both sides of the tanks. Seek a professional's help or advice to get all the fuel out. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.